happy right now as a couple as season 9 comes to an end?
Asibambane. Uthi uphendula sibe sibambene.
Kaloku uyashonga nje siyababana ungazange.
Cha kodwa ngisho ukuthi sesiyabuzwa manje ukuthi sikuphi as a couple asibambane. Uphendule sibambene.
Mthombeni uyolwa noMakhumalo kuze kube nini?
Uyabona uMakhumalo angisho ukuthi aka-accept ukuthi ngiganiwe ngithi akangangiphuci ilungelo lokuba indoda kuyena naye abomfazi kumina.
Sivala isizini sinjani as a couple?
Sinjena njengoba nisibona sinje futhi kuhleke ngoba niyabona ukuthi sinje kukhona lo mama ofuna abena isithumthumu sendoda efanele indoda yenze noma yini mase qhamuke sezokufaka ngekhanda nje kuleyonto.
Mthombeni, any last words?
Usakhuluma.
Siyabonga.
Sambene.
Sibongile. Sifisa ngicela ngikhiphe imali.
Eziphela isizini sikhona sihleli njengomndeni.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kuMangwabe ngokuthi abe khona noma zikhona izinto engizenzile ebezingenza angishiye kodwa ukhona. So ngiyakubonga lokho. So njengoba thina siyicouple sisazothandana kakhulu because inhloso ekugcineni kosuku uMakhwela fanele aphelele kaMseleko and ilokho okuzogcina kwenzeka.
So since the season 11 iphela, the wives will ask ukuthi, okay, since season 9 iphela, guys, are you happy na noMseleko? And uMacele, there was no need for us to even ask. The way we basmile, the room was full of love. uMseleko uyambona ukuthi nje usemathandweni Nkosi yami. Umama wakhe nobaba wakhe bakamayeni Nkosi yami. Okay, but then you could see ukuthi ba happy, and uMacele noMseleko, they said they are happy with relationship yabo. And then they asked uMakhumalo and also uMseleko, bambuza nokuthi, when are you going to stop nje ukulwisa uMakhumalo? And he said the day uMakhumalo ezowazi ukuthi yena njengoba eshadile uMseleko uyindoda and uMakhumalo umfazi, so uMakhumalo kumele athobele umthetho wakhe, which makes us question ukuthi umthetho wakhe, is it because of imali or what? Because sebafaka nompilo babizwa noMayeni bambuza ukuthi okay i-relationship yenu njani. uMayeni was like sinje abanye njengoba nisibona sinje, and you can see ukuthi nje they were once in love and now bayahithana nje kuphela. It's just a toxic relationship and no one is going to leave umusa. Ngisho noma yini akapromise ukuthi uzoliva or whatever, but you can see ukuthi nje i-relationship yabo iphelile, ayisekho nje sokuwukufoster nokuthi uMayeni uhlezi epoint u-wrong kamusa ukuthi ya u-wrong la umusa yena akafuna ukulungisa bo-wrong bakhe nje, ayikho into eyolunga nje kuMayeni nomusa. But let's hope the next season, mara ziningi izinto ezikhulunywe, but let's hope the next season nje kuba right. And then babuza noMangwabe, uMangwabe was like, guys, sisifamily is right. And uMangwabe uyohlezi trendisha uMseleko ukuthi uzohamba. Kodwa she didn't say something ukuthi asho ukuthi nje mina sengiright ngoMseleko, sengifuna ukuhamba ngikhulumile nabantu basekhaya or whatever. She was like, I'm cool noMseleko. And then uMakhwela was like, my man, I'm here to stay. And it's like a preview point. I guys remember replacing number 6. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?